I think the main misconception about the real estate industry is that all we do in real estate is buying and selling homes. Everybody that hear that I'm a real estate professor say, okay, so are you buying and selling homes? And actually, yes, my business does help people buy and sell homes, but there is so much more than that. So first of all, there is the real estate investment side, there is the underwriting side, there is the lending side, there is the property management side, there is real estate investment, trust, indirect investment, private equity. There's so many ways that you can tap into the real estate business in ways that people just don't recognize. I know that a lot of our students getting into our real estate program, not really sure what they're going to do when they come out. And some of them come to me in the first week or second week of the program and say, hey, what should I do about real estate? And I tell them, you know what, wait for 16 weeks. Get to hear some of your professors talking about different opportunities in real estate. You're gonna open your eyes, see what else is out there, and then you can make a decision of what is the direction that works for you. And yes, it does take a lot of time to just understand the different opportunities in real estate. This is so much more than buying and selling homes.